A hearty welcome to one and all. I'm Rohini Batwal from Gokhale Education Society's Dairy Sibitko English Medium High School with 8th standard science subject, and the topic is pollution. Let us begin, students. Students, I just want to ask you two questions. Why these problems in environment may have been arised, and what should be done to overcome these problems? Now see, students, many problems have been arisen on the earth due to human interference in the nature. Industrialization, increasing population, mining, transportation, indiscriminate use of pesticides and fertilizers are causing pollution on the earth. It is affecting human beings. Let us see what is pollution. Contamination of natural environment that will be harmful to ecosystems is called as pollutions. And what are the pollutants then? Factors affecting natural functions of ecosystem and causing harmful effects on abiotic and biotic factors are called pollutants. Pollutants make the environment poisonous and unhealthy. Pollutants may be natural or man-made. Natural pollutants are destroyed in due to course of time by nature's rule. However, man-made pollutants are not. Think about it, students. If natural materials are pollutant, why do we not perceive their adverse effect during their use? When such materials are referred as pollutants.
Pollutants may be natural or man-made. Natural pollutants are destroyed in due course of time by natural rule. However, man-made pollutants are not. Use your brain power, students. Which type of pollutants are observed in the given picture and whether the pollutants are degradable or non-degradable. Let us move towards the first, that is air pollution. Contamination of air by harmful substances like poisonous gases, smoke, particulate matter, microbes, etc. is called as air pollution. Can you recall, student, why it is said that air is a homogeneous mixture of different gases? And which different hazardous gases are released through fuel combustion? Try this, students. You yourself survey your residential area and identify the polluted locations. Try to identify the pollutants at each polluted locations. Let us see the reasons of air pollution. See, there are natural reasons like volcano eruption, that is, solid, gaseous and liquid materials emerge out through eruption. Example, hydrogen dioxide, ammonium chloride, hydrogen, vapors, dust, etc. The second reason is earthquake. Poisonous gases and water vapor from inside of earth are released into the air, which causes the pollution. See, the third reason is cyclones and dust storms. Dust, soil, garbage, pollens, microbes are mixed with air and causes the air pollution. The fourth reason is forest fires. Forest fire release carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, smoke in air, which causes air pollution. And the fifth reason is microbes in air. Pollens of parathenium, spores of bacteria, fungi are mixed with the air and causes the natural pollution. Let us see the man-made reasons. The first is fuel. Yes, burning of fuel like coal, timber, LPG, kerosene, diesel, petrol releases carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, lead compounds, etc. are released in the air. See the second reason, that is burning of solid waste, agricultural waste, etc. in open space causes air pollution. See the third, that is industrialization.
Smoke is released in the large quantity from various factors: sulfur powder, nitrogen oxide, cotton seed powder in air. And the last is atomic energy plants and blast. Use of elements like uranium, thorium, graphite, plutonium releases radiations in the air and thus pollution occurs. So students, you can see the reasons of air pollution, that is natural and man-made. Make this chart in your classwork notebook and try to draw this chart in your activity notebook. Let us move towards the peeping in the history. There had been thick fog in London due to air pollution during 5 to 9th of December 1952. Smoke due to burning of coal had been mixed. Dark shadow of smog remained on the city for consecutive 5 days. Same situation occurred again during 3rd to 6th of December in 1962. Second, in 1948, Petersburg was named as Black City when smoke and soot caused night-like situation during the daytime. Now see students, internet my friend, you have to collect information about larger volcanoes of the world, and you have to collect the information about effect of air pollution on human health from large cities and village from Maharashtra. Now let us see the air pollutants, source and effect. See, the first is sulfur dioxide. Second is carbon monoxide. Third is oxides of nitrogen. Fourth is particulate matter. Fifth is dust. Sixth is pesticides. And the last is methane. Sources are given and the effects of it is given. So this chart you have to make in your notebook, and you have to also stick this chart in the activity notebook also. We will move towards the sources. Factories where coal and mineral used as a fuel. So the effects are irritation of eyes, respiratory tract, excess mucus, cough, breath, etc. See the second, that is carbon monoxide, and the source are vehicular and industrial smoke. Lowered oxygen carrying capacity of blood. See the third, it is oxides of nitrogen. Source is vehicular smoke. And the effects are irritation of respiratory tract and lungs. See the fourth, that is particulate matter, vehicular and industrial smoke, and the effects are respiratory disease. See the next, dust, again vehicular and industrial smoke, and effects are silicosis. See the sixth one, it is pesticides, that is production and use of pesticides are the source, and effects are mental weakness, death due to prolonged exposure. And the last one is methane, and the source is industrial leakage, and the effects are poisoning, skin cancer, asthma, and respiratory diseases. Let us move towards do you know. Worst ever industrial accident had been occurred in Bhopal on the night of 2nd of December 1984. 8,000 people had been died due to accidental gas leakage. Collect more information about Bhopal gas accident, discuss the nature of accident, reasons, after effects, preventive measures. Let us move towards effects of air pollution on plants and animals. See the effect on plants. The first is stomata get closed. Second, slowing down of rate of photosynthesis. And the third one is growth is retarded, leaves fall off or become yellow. See the effects of air pollution on animals. See the first, respiration is adversely affected. Second, irritation of eyes. Can you recall, students? What is the importance of ozone layer? And what are the reasons for depletion in ozone layer? Let us move towards effects of air pollution on plants and animals. That is depletion in ozone layer. Students, earlier we have studied that ozone layer is present below the stratosphere. At the height of 48 kilometers from Earth's surface, it protects the living world of the Earth from ultraviolet, that is UVB radiations from the sun. However, nowadays ozone layer is getting depleted due to following reasons: greenhouse effect and global warming.
Though carbon dioxide is present in very less quantity in atmosphere, it plays a very important role of absorption of solar heat. Over the last 100 years, proportion of carbon dioxide has been increased due to industrialization. Effect of this carbon dioxide on the earth's temperature is nothing but greenhouse effect. Similar to carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane and chlorofluorocarbons also trap the heat. Collectively, these are called as greenhouse gases. Global temperature is gradually increasing due to greenhouse effect. Due to this, atmosphere is changing, causing disturbances in agricultural yield, distribution of wild animals, icebergs and glaciers are melting, causing increase in the sea level. Let us see acid rain. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen are released into atmosphere through burning of coal, timber and fuel oils. Those oxides mix with rainwater and form acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, nitrous acid, etc. This acid mix with raindrop and snowflakes and come down as rain. It is known as a acid rain. Now let us see, students, what are the exact effects of acid rain. Due to this, acidity of soil and water bodies increases due to this. It harms the aquatic organisms, plants and animal, that is entire forest life. Total ecosystems are adversely affected. See the second effect. Erosion of buildings, burst, historical monuments, bridges, metal idols, wire, fences, etc. occurs due to acid rain. See the third. Heavy metals like mercury and cadmium are absorbed up by plants and thereby enter the food chain indirectly due to acid rain. And due to acidification of water in water bodies and pipes, leaching of metals and plastic material occurs in the water and thereby serious health problem arises. Let us move towards the preventive measures of air pollution. Smoke emerging from factories contains harmful particles, hence pollution controlling machinery should be used. Example, arresters and filters. Second, proper disposal of stinking waste generation or generated in cities. Third, controls on atomic tests, chemical weapons, etc. And the last one is control or ban over chlorofluorocarbons production. Here we have finished our half of the lesson, and the rest of the lesson we will see in the next video.